Hey everybody, welcome to episode 2 of improVegan.
improVegan?
I'm pro-vegan. And then it's gonna roll the intro. That was so good, I don't need anything good to do it again. Alright, thanks for joining us back. This is episode 2. Dos Mundos. Alright, so today we're going to be making vegan corn dog. Okay, so this is a really great, super simple recipe. It's pretty much a normal corn dog recipe.
Veganified.
But instead of milk, we're using coconut milk, and instead of beef hot dogs, we're using vegan hot dogs. So the first step is we're going to take our wooden skewers, and we're going to stick them inside of our wieners, our hot dogs. All right, and you want to stick them up to about an inch from the top.
How do I know?
You just gotta become one with the wiener.
Do I like have to bend it to feel it? Okay.
I mean, you can play with it. I mean, you just don't play too much. Once you have stuck all your hot dogs, skewers inside, then we're gonna do the next step. And so then you're gonna add the dry ingredients. So corn dog batter, corn dogs is made from cornmeal and flour. So you're going to do equal parts cornmeal and flour. I'm using 1 cup each.
That looked like a lot of fun.
It was. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar.
And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
Okay.
I have a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. I like to add a little kick to everything. You can omit the cayenne if you don't like spice. You're like Gabe.
Hello.
If you want more spice, you can add more into it. So we're gonna compromise with a 1/4 teaspoon.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
I was Salt Bay over there for a minute.
Oh, I should have done a Salt Bay thing. What does Salt Bay do? Okay, ready?
You're way better. Your form is 20 times better than mine.
Yeah.
It's like a flamingo. Okay.
Now that we're all salted up, got that brine going on. Now we're gonna mix it all together. So can you?
Oh, I would love to.
Yeah, it's interesting. He's using a counterclockwise motion. I feel like a game announcer.
Is this the right?
Watch as Gabe Erwin with the. He's switching up, going clockwise. Oh, now he's just standing there. He's stalled. Is he gonna make a decision?
Which way is it?
That's clockwise.
Well, yeah, I know that. I know how the clock works, but which way is the right way?
There is no wrong way.
I don't know.
Dry ingredients.
I didn't learn
Okay, that's true. There is a wrong way, and it's like if you just take the ball and just dump it on the floor. That's a wrong way. Once you do that, we're gonna add our wet. I'm using coconut milk. You can use any plant milk. I like to use coconut milk when I'm cooking a lot because it's a little more dense. Coconut milk has a little higher fat content than like almond milk or soy milk. But at the end of the day, you're probably not gonna tell a huge difference. So you can just use whatever you fancy.
Ooh, that's fun.
Oh yeah. And you want to kind of play around with it. You want it to be about the consistency of pancake batter. This is actually looking a little thick. So that was wrong. So I must have measured that wrong. Okay, so we're gonna add a little more.
We're gonna add a little bit more to this.
Yeah, we're gonna do a cup and a half. Let's see how that comes out. Maybe that was way too much. This is the improv part of the show where we mess up and then we have to.
Well, mostly he messes up.
Well, I mess up. We're gonna take a tall glass and we're gonna fill it full of batter. So you just kind of pour some right into the glass.
Nice and clumpy.
Yeah, and then you're just gonna drink.
Ooh, on the side?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna drink that part?
Yeah, and then you just down it. And that's how you make corn dogs. Just drink corn dog batter. Well, the cool thing about doing vegan is we don't have to worry about it doesn't have eggs in it, so you actually could just eat it raw if you really wanted to. All right, so the next step is we're gonna take a plate and you're gonna put a little rinse flour plate and we're going to dust the corn dog. What that means is you're gonna just kind of coat the corn dog in the flour. This is gonna help the batter stick to the hot dog. And then the next step is you're going to dip it into the batter. And as you dip down, you're going to twist as you go in, get it all nice and covered, and then you pull it out.
So the twisting motion helps?
Yeah, the twisting motion helps, and then you're gonna dump it in the oil. Oil temperature is really important. If your oil is too hot, it's gonna cook the outside of the batter really quickly, and it's gonna be like doughy on the inside and not really cook the hot dog. If it's too low, your batter is gonna kind of just fall apart. It's gonna cook too slow, and your batter will fall apart as it goes. So about 350 degrees is a really good temperature. It's a really good balance. So that's like the key to getting that good like state fair like corn dog. So a big shout out to Gabe. He let me come in here and invade his kitchen for the afternoon. He has such a beautiful apartment, a lot better lighting.
That.
Yeah. And
Get food out of it, you know.
Yeah, and he gets food.
Some good food.
Instead of like frozen, I don't know, what do you eat? Postmates?
Okay, can we not throw shade at me?
So you want to cook your corn dog, so it's a nice shade of corn dog brown. You actually look it up, it's a crayon. It was my favorite.
Is it really a crayon?
Yeah, it was my favorite color.
Corn dog brown?
Corn dog brown.
I won't judge, I just like blue.
Okay, so we got our corn dogs ready. We got ketchup, we got mustard, we got buffalo sauce. You can dip them in anything you want. You can toss them in buffalo sauce. It's a great thing about corn dogs is Jody's already started eating them in the middle of me talking.
Gabe just said make sure you don't eat this today.
Alright guys, thanks for watching make our vegan corn dogs. Make sure to join in next week when we try our hand at vegan pot pies.
Chew with your mouth open.